So right now this is really what is happening now because of the unnatural phenomena. It sounds like it must be formed as a tornado, but it is not a tornado. So now it starts to smashing the place where we are, and then we had a Korean co-workers. He needs to put his truck inside the company, inside the building. So this is it. We can't go outside because of the downpour of the rain. But I will try to catch a video outside. So this is outside. I don't know why this is sudden that this happened. I don't know what's the problem. Not the set.